Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. You're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Prof, before we start to our topic, yung po na ikwento nyo about sa mosaic strategy, especially marami po sa atin, isa na po ako, hindi ko po siya naiintindihan. How many may
Pwede nilang
succession?
pero kasi yung mga artist, no?
Yun nga, prof eh. Actually,
girls,
yun nga, prof eh. Pero di ba, prof, yun naman, siguro, we can admit that they are the parang cause of war. Diba? Sila yung nasa gitna, meron talagang casualty. Military-wise, prof, strategic goal ng Iran. Well, lumalabas narrative, if I go to Al Jazeera, my gosh, lahat na lang, bisa iniisip ko parang Iran State TV sila eh. Sinasabi nila that Iran already achieved yung kanilang strategic goal. Tingin nyo po ba dito sa sinasabi nilang narrative na ito na nagkakaroon ng shifting main idea of winning in a war?
US, no?
Yes, and Prof, isa pa, I think I also wanted to ask you, no? Kasi yung mga kaibigan ko po, always asking me, hindi ko naman maintindihan, ba't nila ako tinatanong lagi about sa geopolitics. Lagi nila sinasabi, yung gasgas na salita na ginagamit ng Amerika when they try to invade a certain country, which is yung regime change. But I know you have this deep knowledge about the other wars na pinamunuan ng Amerika, and they always want regime change, or they have this selfish thinking about what is best for a certain country. Itong nangyayari sa Iran po, no ang nakikita nyong possibility for a regime change in a long-term stability ng
No?
siya,
Yung
King
Shah
Pahlavi.
of Iran na yun.
Yes.
Just oil and peace.
Yun nga din. By the way, guys, dahil bigla ang pagkakataon lang po to with Professor Ronald Simbulan, any one of you guys, we are live on Facebook po, Prof, and also on YouTube. If you have any certain questions po na gusto nyo maitanong while we are on live, lagay nyo lang po yan sa comment section and we will try to read it. Prof, isa pa po, no? Some of my friends dito sa States na kalilipat lang po, they're coming from Philippines, tas lumipat po na Amerika, and this is the first time na parang America go to a war, nandito na sila sa States. They are always asking, and I guess it would be better if you explain it further. Dahil sa Middle East nangyari itong Iran war, ano po ang ibig sabihin kung ang Amerika ay aalis kasamang kanyang mga base militar sa Middle East? Opo, aalis mismo. Kuya kay Gaddafi.
No, serious.
Prof,
The
may
United States.
labas lang tayo ng konti sa topic kasi ang ganda ng paliwanag niyo about the bases. What do you foresee sa EDCA natin with USA and also our continuing issue with China on West Philippine Sea plus yung maaaring invasion ng China sa Taiwan?